you're experiencing the Roblox Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you enhance your gaming experience by addressing the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. A poor connection can lead to issues with cloud saving. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Outdated versions may have bugs that cause errors. Check for updates in the Roblox app or reinstall it to ensure you have the most current version. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Clearing the cache and data of the Roblox application can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Go to your device settings, find the Roblox app and select the option to clear cache and data. Step 4. Check Roblox server status. Sometimes the issue may be on Roblox's end. Visit the Roblox status page or their official social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues that could be affecting cloud saves. Step 5. Contact Roblox support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your experience and resolve the cloud save error. If problems continue, staying in touch with support can provide further guidance.